Hi, today I'm going to be looking at this. It's the Von Haus rotating multi-tool. I presume that's how it's pronounced. I'm only going to be looking at it and what's in the box. I'm not going to be showing you the parts. First thing to see, this part here. This, as I understand it, goes into a clamp and it's a telescopic support for the cable. Basically it keeps it out of your way but also accessible. This is a flexible drive. Every time I've read something about it they all say the same thing. The instructions are wrong. I was never going to use it anyway. Let's have a look at the other half of the case. Instructions. Some more bits. Tool itself I shall save till last. Here's a bag of bits. Some more bits. Do forgive me, I know nothing of this. It's my first time having a look. I've done some research and can't find out specifics about it. One thing I do know, it's not a brushless motor because here are two carbon brushes for it. This is a guide. This here is the clamp that goes onto your workbench. No idea what this is. Then you got these. These are, I presume, cutting discs. I generally do not know because I haven't read that part of the instructions. But one thing's for sure, there's at least 20 of them in there. More cutting discs. As I say, I presume that's what they're alive. I presume that's what they are. Then we have this. Multiple tools and bits. I think the easiest thing to do would be to put these out and then show you exactly what's in here. I shall start on doing that now. Please hold. We also have a spanner, and this, I guess that's where one of the wheels fit. It's not quite a drill bit, more like cutters I would say. That does look like a drill bit. Not sure what that one is. If you know, please say so. It's got a screw thread on the end, but it's not a bolt. And these two, let's put them there. These two, I'm going to guess, are diamond engraving bits. As I say, I am sorry, I do not know exactly what they are, but that is my guess. And an Allen key. It has a variable speed control here, which is a wheel. There's a hanging clip which I presume goes onto the adjustable stand. Here is one brush, there is another one. Here's the on-off switch, and there's the chuck. I also noticed the button here locks the chuck, presumably so you can put the spanner on it. And yes, it is mains powered. I only bought it for one reason. I'm going to change my toilet cistern's siphon. I don't know if you know, but quite often the toilet cistern is held on by a couple of nuts and bolts that quite often rust, and you can't get a hacksaw in there. I have an angle grinder, but toilets being porcelain, I don't really want to break it. So I thought, what can I use? And I thought, I know what, miniature grinder. Then I found this. This particular one, I'll leave a link in the description where it comes from. It only costs £33 including delivery, which is why I bought it. As long as it cuts through the 2 nuts and bolts, I'll be happy. I will make a follow-up video when I've figured out some of the other parts, because to be honest, I'm not going to use all of it. If you like this content, a thumbs up is always appreciated. A subscription to the channel, which is free, would be great as well. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. You can also follow me on Ko-fi. Hi, back again. I did say there was going to be a part 2 to this video to show you what the bits and bobs do. Well, to be honest, it's a bit pointless now. I've realised these stones like this one, all they do is grind out. The stones are different shapes, obviously, so you can get into different sorts of corners and stuff. But the main reason I got it was because of these discs. I wanted to cut some steel with it. It does say in the instructions it cuts metal. What they meant by that was it cuts tin foil. These discs have an inherent problem. What's this? Yep, I broke it with my fingers. They are fragile. For what I want to cut, I'm not going to use these at all. There is, however, another disc you can get that I'm going to try and get hold of. It's great for engraving, doing work on small things, but for something bigger, you do need totally different discs that do not come with it. But no worries. It's a great little tool.